guys, rise and shine. Don't ask me I'm this goofy early in the morning, okay? But today I'm going to be recording a day in my life vlog, a full vlog, the intros of why am I this active? Maybe because I want to record a vlog. Ignore the rapper. Like, I'm in my night way now, so you understand. Anywho, welcome guys, welcome. They've not turned the gen on. When they turn it on, everyone will be brighter and clearer, okay? Mwah.
Good morning. We just want to say, nice to work 50,000 long. Bye. What you doing there? So down, no man,
you're finishing your exam tomorrow.
Oh, just so far.
Finishing exam tomorrow.
Because the exam was the small law.
My baby.
Bye. So we'll see.
Bye. Where's your bag? Love you. Bye bye.
Doctor. Where my friend? Doctor, my friend. What are you? I'm not fit to
I'm very sorry. So I'm like waiting for the next. So I'm walking to the site office now. It's a bridge. They've done the approaching road and the bridge is down there. Outfit is giving. It's giving. Steve's 100,000%. So you guys, I have gotten to the site office. Let me show you my outfit. My phone show for you guys to burn down. Okay, so my colleagues are not here yet. Allergies won't injure me. I already told you guys I'm actually like I have seasonal allergy. Okay, I think I'm okay now. having allergic reaction to something I don't know. And there's no dust or anything. I don't know. See, my eyes are already. I already sneezed like 10 times now. My irritation has stopped. It's thank God for life. So, you guys, I know it's for living home and I cannot come and die. So, this is my tea. I'm going to buy bread and egg. I could have eaten at home, but no. And the school are outside, can you imagine? Dave, say hi. Introduce yourself to my people. No, just introduce yourself. Steve, what
Wait. I need to do something, Chen.
Dave, say hi.
What is this?
Like, I'm recording the vlog, so like I want to introduce my colleagues. So.
My name is David.
Okay, yeah. So like, how are you finding the site work and your passion for civil engineering?
Oh,
Why are you laughing? So we are going to the site right now. Say hi.
Lord of Jesus, guys, tell everybody shit now.
Say hi. What's your name? This is the bridge that we're working on.
The boy fine. I don't like to play with kind of. You said we almost kissed me that day.
Why are you guys like this? What did they do? About come on skin for your face. So with me here, talk job engineer. Okay, and this is
Papillo.
yes, engineer Papito. Engineer Richard. Engineer Richard. How your helmet feel? So this is what the remaining part of the bridge. So this is the main bridge, right? And that is the approaching road that we're there. So I am on my way to get breakfast because I'm hungry and I did not eat before I left home. So we have gotten to the Meshai shop, bread and egg. That's what I'm going to be buying and having for breakfast. So I'm just going to wait here and sit. I don't know if you guys can hear me, but like I've been having serious breakouts and my face has just been acting up. Going back to office now. to go and balance it. Like I'm gonna balance free Arabale shopping.
Pablo, see
what you try to do for me, guys. Pork in this economy.
Look at the chief. Fabiano.
Thank you very much, sir. Like, it's highly appreciated.
From so everything he did.
Wow.
One sausage, one. He said,
You don't want to do that.
I swear to God, next time I'm very mad. So fall with the leg, like fall with the leg.
I feel
If they play down on.
Yeah, so you don't need bends against people.
You get roller, you call it. And now you get bends, you follow me talk like I can't know that. I can't hear Kami tell you what for you. You got it on for you. Yeah, man. I'll carry you. Bastard. Escort. You sit down and go shake down. I don't know what they're phone for.
Now you go.
So then the night. Yes, I'm singing. I'm not. Okay, sorry. I've been there before. So then at the happy day.
Oh, I go.
How's your use this place? What's going on? Sabi. She's still pregnant. If you ask me, you don't talk last card. You don't talk last card. Oh, Tilo, get out. You see that? When you now start that one,
You used to know it.
12, 18, or more, 26. What you be? Are you like? Let's go there. Let's go there. Shock you haters.
So there's no general market.
Just leave out like that. No. Who do this thing that day?
This is for smart guys.
I love these guys. You cannot understand. That is the point. I see that the response on top of 62.
Just 20.
Okay, this was animals.
40. 50.
Okay. Where's the number? Bye. 61. 65.
72.
This one
62. I don't say that.
You know something.
This 25.
25. Okay, sir. Now you want to get
This
25. Let me chow. Who knows animals? 55. One girl drink car. 60. Yeah, back to the way it's been like this. Yeah, I got the second. 28. Just the 13. Get that shit. Because you know, I go get 5 cards. 41. I go get 5 cards. 41. You know it's good. 41. Yeah, let's go. 54. 65. 66. Pablo. Guys. 69. Guys. 70. Guys. 72. Guys. 75. Guys. Don't break the child record. Guys. 82. That one. Why are you thinking like nobody can break that record? No, that's shit for me. You can't do that.
See, I go win. See you. Just what?
I like
2K. Thank you. Cut out. I cut out. Die.
I'm gonna transfer now.
I transfer for another person.
No, I'm not transfer. Transfer your first. No, they
Transfer. I need my license first because if you transfer to me, you don't even feel complete. Like you go, I'll give you money, but you don't feel complete.
If you collect like 18K.
Yeah, my turn.
Oh shit!
Please, one more.
That's fine.
I never touch. Better for you. What are you saying? Eh? I'm not too cat. Steady now. Steady like a soldier. Steady moving like a soldier from Afghanistan. I eat people, not an animal. They stand with everything. Let's listen.
Hey.
Last.
Your Phoenix.
This thing go just mad to me. No, don't worry.
Steady bombing like a soldier from
What's entering now?
Me na Leon. Who your can
Yeah,
Leon?
19%. 26.
God did. 11. Don't worry. Who gets start? Me now. 10. 6. 18. 4 and 7. 21. Yeah, I'm good. Add everything together. What's going on now? Oh yeah. Sorry?
So I'm back on the bridge and I'm gonna like see how far to get. So basically we don't like stay on site like all day. We like spend some time on site to the site office, you know, for some time to like take breaks. So like if there's not much going on, we'll be at the site office. But now there's much going on, so I'm going back.
I don't say that one.
No, what is that?
I get this fluky.
Nah, Fluky was my ass too. Fluky, she 30K. Top guy, like.
What's
for
going
one
on?
year,
Maybe
business contract.
Funny how I always wish I knew how to trade before this. And I'm like,
Before buying one.
before buying, bro, not going started at 0.00039.
Seems right.
Must be right.
I focus.
I don't need to show any money. Now $0. What do you think I buy now?
Buy BTC.
Oh.
Yes, bamboo. I use bamboo. I get bamboo for you. I get chaka. No, get this one. I don't do everything for money. Nothing like that is mad for Nigeria. Afri-mash. There's rice vest. Run Afri-mash. Afri-mash is for agricultural produce. That one's mad. But that one too.
How would you actually bro? You don't put this anywhere. What's my head, bro? Go somewhere. Sharp. We're going to teach our bodies.
want to upload it to YouTube. Mom, say hi. Hello. Hey, schoolboy. How are you?
Thank you, Mom.
You're welcome. See your mouth.
I want orange.
See orange on your face. See.
I want orange.
I'm back home. So I need to go and pray Maghrib right now. It's almost time for Isha. I'm honestly so sleepy, like I'm very, very sleepy. Hi guys. So I'm done eating. Now I just want to go and do my skincare that does not care. Just going to stay here. This is my face wash. I use this at night while I use CeraVe SA facial cleanser in the morning. Not because of anything, not because of any special skincare, dermatologist nonsense. It's because this one is usually my toilet and that one in my bathroom. So when I'm taking my bath, I just use it. This one, I don't want to wet my feet, so I just use it at night. Man, just pretend I can't see my forehead because it is huge. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Just 5. Not bad. Not bad. Looking sharp and cute and clean. And the only thing I use at night is this. I actually don't have like complex skincare, although I want to like get more products, but until then, this is my glow spot remover cream. Dark spot correction serum. And this is why me, I'm not a skincare expert. I found it, I researched about it, and I started using it, and I can't tell if it has been working, but I'm trusting the process. I'm going to allow my face to dry. I don't want to turn the fan on because it's cold and it gets so air dry. Quickly. Yard. It's drying. I can feel it. Shim. Honestly, 9 to 5 is not meant for me. I can see it. I can see the future. I can understand. It's not meant for me. The face is dry now. I'm just gonna apply. It has like not an oily. What I like about it is that it's not oily. Like it doesn't have this oily consistency. It's so shiny safe, and I don't think I'm getting another one because God, I beg. And that is it. We have now come to the end of the vlog/video. A typical day in my life. And if you're still here, like you watched till the end of this video, 10 packs of Berry Blast for you, because you're my cheap. Thank you guys for watching till the end, and please don't forget to like, subscribe, comment. Did you like it? Tell me. I want to hear it. If you don't like it, tell me. Yeah, comment like if you want to see more of this. And also, like, you know, like what you like to see. Me, I have what I want to show you. I have what I want to give you. But what you like to see, let me know in the comments. Thank you for staying to the end. I completed it. Like, I can't believe it. It's like I feel so emotional. Anyways, see you guys in my next video. Bye. I'm so glad.